Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford F150 oil. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then warm the engine 5 to 10 minutes. Locate the drain plug and oil filter, prepare a drain pan, and have rags ready. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Follow torque specs, replace the filter gasket if needed, and dispose of oil responsibly at a recycling center. Secure the truck with wheel chocks and remove the drain plug using the correct socket. Allow oil to drain until it slows to a drip to remove most used oil, then inspect the plug and magnet for metal particles. Clean the drain area and replace any crushed washer if needed. Tighten the plug to the manufacturer torque specification, avoiding over-tightening, and wipe any spilled oil from the pan and surrounding surfaces. Unscrew the old oil filter and check the gasket for damage or residue, then prepare the new filter by lubricating its gasket with fresh oil. Install the new filter by hand until snug, then follow the recommended tighten amount. Refill the engine with the specified oil grade and capacity, start the engine briefly to circulate oil, and check for leaks around the filter and drain plug. Finally, verify oil level on the dipstick and adjust if necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.